Oh, hey, welcome back to the shop. You know, it's not very often that I actually work on the shop itself because I'm so busy doing projects, which I'd rather do projects, you know, tools, stuff like that. My shop is just a means to do projects. But today, I'm going to put this shelf in here, put my drill press back on, but I'm going to build a new cabinet to go right here for my miter saw. Half full. Going full. what did I do? Okay, there we go. Hey, so that completes phase one of this two-phase project. I built it this way so I could show people that I am capable of not using a CNC to build a cabinet, but that's not happening on this next one. And this next one is going to be a cabinet that's going to be a little wider, that's going to be up to this level, so we have some support for longer pieces, and we're going to have a built-in fence that runs along here. This project really saved us some space, and it's going to work out really well. Next project, if it ever warms up in the shop, is a live edge epoxy resin table, but it's been too cold, the epoxy won't cure. So as soon as we get this project done, it starts to warm up, we'll move on to the next project. So give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.